Hello students, today we will discuss simple past tense. What is simple past tense? When we will write simple past tense? When an action took place in the past, it has no relation to present. अर्थात ଅତୀତରେ କୌଣସି ଗୋଟେ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ସମ୍ପାଦିତ ହୋଇଥିବ କିନ୍ତୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସହିତ ତାର କୌଣସି ସମ୍ପର୍କ ନଥିବ ସେତେବେଳେ ଯାଇକରି ଆମେ ସିମ୍ପଲ ପାଷ୍ଟ ଟେନ୍ସ ଲେଖିବା। ପ୍ରଥମେ ଆମେ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ଆସିବା। ସବଜେକ୍ଟ was କିମ୍ବା were ପ୍ଲସ୍ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିମେଣ୍ଟ। ମନେ ରଖିବା ପ୍ରଥମ ପୁରୁଷ ଏକବଚନ I, ତୃତୀୟ ପୁରୁଷ ଏକବଚନ he, she, it, names like Ram, Gopal, Sita, Gita, a boy, a girl ଏମାନ ପାଖରେ was ବ୍ୟବହୃତ। ପ୍ରଥମ ପୁରୁଷ ବହୁବଚନ we, ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ପୁରୁଷ ଏକବଚନ ବହୁବଚନ you, ତୃତୀୟ ପୁରୁଷ ବହୁବଚନ they, boys, girls, cars ଏମାନ ପାଖରେ were ବ୍ୟବହୃତ ହେବ। କ୍ଲିୟର? ପୁଣି ଆଉ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ଦେଖିଦେବା। ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ଅନୁସାରେ was କିମ୍ବା were ପ୍ଲସ୍ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିମେଣ୍ଟ। ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ପ୍ଲସ୍ was କିମ୍ବା were ପ୍ଲସ୍ not ପ୍ଲସ୍ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିମେଣ୍ଟ। was, were ପ୍ଲସ୍ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ପ୍ଲସ୍ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିମେଣ୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ମାର୍କ। was, were ପ୍ଲସ୍ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ପ୍ଲସ୍ not ପ୍ଲସ୍ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିମେଣ୍ଟ क्वेश्चन मार्क। was, were plus not plus subject plus complement question mark। Example: he was a teacher, he was not a teacher। was he a teacher, was he not a teacher, was not he a teacher। he was a farmer, he was not a farmer। was he a farmer, was he not a farmer, was not he a farmer question mark। Like that when we take were, they were players, they were not players। were they players question mark, were they not players question mark, were not they players question mark। Second structure, subject plus had plus complements। subject plus had plus not plus complement। had plus subject plus complement question mark। had plus subject plus not plus complement question mark। had not plus subject plus complement question mark। he had a car, he had not a car। had he a car question mark, had he not a car question mark, had not he a car question mark। Clear? In the above example, had is used for possession when had is used in other meaning। For example, he had a lunch, that means he took a lunch। in this case the structure is different। we have to break down had into did plus had। that means he had a lunch, he did not have a lunch। did he have a lunch, did he not have a lunch, did not he have a lunch। Clear? Next, another structure, subject plus verb to। that means past tense of the verb। verb to divided into two parts when we change into negative and interrogative। did plus verb 1। that means the structure will be like this: subject plus verb 2, subject plus did plus not plus verb 1, did plus subject plus verb 1 question mark, did plus subject plus not plus verb 1 question mark, did not plus subject plus verb 1 question mark। Example: he did a work, He did not do a work. Did he do a work? Did he not do a work? Did not he do a work? They played cricket. They did not play cricket. Did they play cricket? Did they not play cricket? Did not they play cricket? These are the structures of simple past tense. They cut a tree. Can you say the tense of the sentence? No. Why? Because cut is in present tense. The past tense of cut is also cut. So we cannot say whether it is in the present tense or in the past tense. At that time, we will take the help of the time adverb like this. They cut a tree every day. Here every day, the time adverb indicates that the sentence is in present tense. They cut a tree yesterday. Look at, underline the word yesterday. The time adverb yesterday tells you the sentence is in past tense. So by taking the help of the time adverb or by referring the previous sentence, we know the tense of the sentence. But without having any time adverb, you can easily find out whether the sentence is in the present tense or in the past tense if the sentence is like this. He cut a tree. Can you say the tense of the sentence? It is in past tense. How do you say like this? Because suppose it is in present tense. Then he, the subject, is in third person singular. The right sentence will be he cuts a tree. But the sentence is not like that. The sentence is he cut a tree. That means the cut is in past tense. Clear? That means by observing the sentence, you know the tense. Okay? Best of luck.